Hi, this is RJ Astra and again we are here with a new face and inspiration. और ये इंस्पिरेशन सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंस्पिरेशन नहीं बल्कि ये एक यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर है जो पुलवामा की रहने वाली है एंड राइट नाउ शी इज द फाउंडर ऑफ अ लोकल कश्मीरी स्किन केयर ब्रांड. Hi Anisa, how are you?
Hello, I'm great.
How are you feeling? What is the feeling?
I'm feeling really good.
ओके सो कैसा लग रहा है आपको कि आप अपनी जर्नी या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आप बताना चाहते हैं लोगों को एक इंस्पिरेशन भी मिलेगी आपसे बात करके, आपका जो जर्नी है वो जान के कि कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया और अभी यू आर अ फाउंडर ऑफ अ ब्रांड. हाउ डज इट फील?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लाइक व्हाट आई इमेजिन वो सब हो रहा है. जैसे कि मैंने पहले इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि आई विल बी अ फाउंडर और आई विल हैव माय ओन ब्रांड.
बिल्कुल.
तो अभी जैसे है कि एक नाम है दैट आई एम लाइक मैं उस नाम से जानी जाती हूँ. वो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले यही सवाल रहेगा कि आपके ब्रांड का नाम क्या है?
माय ब्रांड नेम इज ओरिया.
ओरिया.
हाँ जी.
एंड व्हाई ओरिया?
बिकॉज
नामकरण होता है ना हर चीज का किसी रीजन से होता है.
रेडियंट
that light feminine
Yeah.
energy क्योंकि
Yeah.
it's about women brand है ये. Okay, so why Anisa, like this is a question मेरे भी मन में सवाल है. अगर मैं एज एन ऑडियंस पूछूं तो बिजनेस ही क्यों?
बिजनेस हर किसी का अपना पाथ होता है. समवन वांट्स टू बिकम इंजीनियर, समवन वांट्स टू बिकम डॉक्टर.
बिल्कुल.
एंड मेरा पहले से था आई वांट टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो इस वजह से मेरा ये है कि आई गिव अ चांस टू नीट लाइक मैंने
Okay.
दिया हुआ है. बट आई वांट समथिंग जिसमें मैं इंडिपेंडेंट रहूं. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू फील फ्रीडम.
बिल्कुल. अपने इस पे
Yeah.
अपने मन पे हर कोई काम करता
दैट आई एंजॉय डूइंग.
So you enjoy being an entrepreneur right
Yeah,
now.
I
So how is the feeling of being an entrepreneur? कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया? दिमाग में कैसे आया कि भाई बस यही करना है, ये मेरे लिए बना है?
इससे पहले भी मैंने बहुत चीज़ें ट्राई की है. लाइक आई लव आर्ट एंड इलस्ट्रेशंस. आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ देम. उसके बाद मैंने आई स्टार्टेड माय ज्वेलरी ब्रांड, हैंडमेड ज्वेलरी ब्रांड. एंड उसके बाद व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड द स्किन केयर थिंग आई एंजॉयड डूइंग इट लाइक मेकिंग सोप्स, शैम्पूज एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद डिफरेंट थिंग्स,
बिल्कुल.
डूइंग दीज ऑल थिंग्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट थॉट कि नो आई हैव टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड
फर्दर इस चीज में जाना है because this is something that attracts you.
Yeah.
And for everybody who wants to be an entrepreneur and you're just 20 years old, that means a lot. सिर्फ 20 साल की उम्र में आपका इतना वो डायरेक्शन होना, वो माइंडसेट होना that you want to do something in your life and you want to progress, that takes a lot. But the point is कि what it is like to be an entrepreneur. क्या ये easy job है? but जितना ये दिखता है वो sugar coat करके कि भाई हम self made है, independent है, but what it takes to be an entrepreneur?
It feels fancy. Like if you just say I'm an entrepreneur, I have my own business, it feels fancy. It feels like, oh, I'm doing this. But at the same time, it's like a small kid that exhausts you.
It's
that
like
you
a
have
baby, you have to raise it.
Yeah, it
बिल्कुल.
exhausts you. It like you have sometimes you have to do a lot of this. Sometimes you're satisfied, like oh okay. Sometimes you're so frustrated. You were like, no, I'm done. I don't want to do this.
So ऐसे burnout वाला situation होता है आपके साथ?
For sure, it always
So
happens.
the people who are watching you, there are a lot of people who will get inspired कि हमें भी कुछ करना चाहिए. Do you think being an entrepreneur and starting a startup at this situation is worth it?
It is if you are gonna give your 100% in it.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah, it will take time. It's a slow process, but at the end you will be satisfied.
You will learn
love
something
it.
also.
Yeah.
सो आपकी कुछ इंस्पिरेशन रही है? बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स है मार्केट में ऑलरेडी, स्किन केयर का काफ़ी कंपटीशन है. सो व्हाट इज़ योर टेक ऑन दैट?
There are a lot of like अगर भी देखेंगे there are a lot of cosmetic brands and everything, but if you want to do anything you don't have to see everyone as a competition. You just have to build your trust. You build your brand so the people
Your
will
customers,
trust
your
you.
range.
That will you don't have to see, oh, that's my competition, I have to do this. No, you just have to, oh, how can I build trust with all the customers. You don't have to build customers, you just have to build a family, small family you will rely on. They will like appreciate you.
A
They will use
chosen
your-
family,
yeah,
I must
that's
say.
it.
So your customers or all of the people who love you and love your brand, it's like a chosen family, of course. But जो आपकी actual family है, जो आपके friends हैं, what is their stance on this?
I guess if we talk about my family, वो बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, they
हाँ,
support
that's
a
really,
lot.
really nice.
Even today if I'm here, my sisters are seeing like क्या है orders whatever they are doing,
बिल्कुल,
and my
बैक
mom
एंड पे वो
yeah,
संभाल रहे
हाँ
हैं.
जी, and my mom also. But if we say about friends, I don't have a lot of friends, but I do have some chosen ones, and
Okay.
they support a lot.
Okay, so you have a team over there, like wherever आपका जहाँ पे भी physical outlet है, वहाँ आपकी एक particular team है. How is it like? How do you guys work?
I guess right now if we say I'm the team, I'm
Okay,
the
you're
founder
the
of-
one team
yeah,
only.
I'm the founder also, and I'm the team also. But yeah, I do have a delivery boy and sales girl who manage some
Who manage
things,
everything.
yeah,
So what kind of products do you sell? ऐसे कौन से products हैं और किन के लिए हैं? और specifically I want to ask another question about the
Yeah.
products, but firstly this only.
We make like harmful. We don't put any harmful chemicals like silicone, paraben, sulfate. These our products are free from these all. We make shampoo, hair care, skin care, and scents. We make scented candles, perfumes, ethers.
Okay.
Yeah, and cream, scrubs, soaps.
Everything,
Yeah,
like
everything.
that comes under the brand. And I really want to ask you कि जैसे कि आपने कहा कि it's not harmful, paraben free and everything, it's like very eco-friendly also. So it wasn't your brain that you wanted to do something for environment, or it was just हो गया तो बस हो गया?
No, I wanted because my mom has a sensitive skin, and if you see, there are a lot of products in market, but they are full of chemicals, harmful chemicals. So that's why I wanted to just make something that she will not get itchiness, rashes on her face, and will suit her. That's why I just
There are
made
a
it.
lot of people
Yeah.
जिनको allergic होते हैं, but they are not allergic to eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly,
You know that जो material
some,
होता
like
है.
some soaps, or if we say creams, they put artificial fragrances in them. So that's why someone any of the person is allergic to that, तो उनको फिर वो rashes हो जाती है, like redness and all. So that's why I just whatever is my product, I don't put any fragrance in it.
Okay, it's like
Yeah, it's
smell free,
completely,
smell
हाँ,
free
yeah,
है.
natural.
So उन सब लोगों के लिए आपका क्या कहना है जो स्किन केयर डेली यूज करते हैं बट वो केमिकल बेस्ड स्किन केयर है? Is there something that you will like as an advice as a girl who has a startup of her own, एक ब्रांड है आपका, एक नाम है आपका, तो उस चीज का आपका क्या कहना है कि what is your advice for people?
If I say, yeah, we use chemical based products, but on the long run they will damage your skin. If you are using today, they're gonna they are giving you glow or something, they are taking something from you. इस वजह से अगर आप natural products use करते हो, they are slow. I know that they are slow. They will give you
slow and
yeah,
steady wins the
yeah,
race.
but they will not damage your skin. Don't have any chemical that will damage your skin in long run. So they are best.
Okay, this was the side for the skincare,
Yeah.
your brand. What is it about? Let's talk about the actual thing, the entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Being a really young entrepreneur, a female, you're only 20 years old. What are the challenges that you have faced till now?
There are a lot of struggles if you say with the like study and this managing both things.
So you're
And,
studying right now.
Yes.
आप क्या अभी pursue कर रहे हैं?
I just like I had my NEET exam before some
Okay,
time.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
now
okay.
I'm gonna join college.
Okay.
So struggles or like if you are studying, and even people sometimes criticize a lot. If we are choosing any path, there are both negative and positive.
Positivity, both.
Yeah. So these things, or sometimes you are burnout, like exhaustion. You don't know what to do. You are at the point you are stuck. You feel like, what now? What I have to do? How to grow my brand? What should I post?
What should I post
Yeah,
next?
about the
Content creation भी खुद ही
creation.
है, packaging भी, delivering भी, everything.
What should I change to make something more like
Recognizable.
yeah,
Yes.
that's the thing.
Okay, so as an audience too, I really want to ask you कि ये कहा जाता है कि entrepreneurs के पास काफी पैसा होता है, क्या ये सच है? ये सच नहीं है? बिल्कुल
If
नहीं है।
you like if you just made a sale, you have money in your bank account, but you know it's not yours. Tomorrow it's gonna go in packaging, it's gonna go in raw materials,
Everything.
it's gonna go in
तो
other
ये
things.
झूठ है, ये बस एक छलावा है।
Yeah, like in beginning you don't have any money. It will take 2 to 3 years, but after when it's stable,
settled.
yeah, you gonna like earn a lot in
Like
it. But
business is actually like a baby because आपको वो grow करना पड़ता है, आपको हर चीज, हर aspect खुद संभालनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि पहले जब हम start करते हैं तो आपके पास एक टीम नहीं होती। अब as growing as a upbringing जो आपका हो रहा है as an entrepreneur and you're working really really nice. I could see that. But what is your advice for people जो घर बैठे आपको देख रहे हैं? बहुत सारी females, बहुत सारे लोग, उनके पास skill है but they want to turn that skill into entrepreneurship, into a business. What is your advice for them?
I guess they should take that risky step. I know it's messy. First, it's a lot mess. Like you don't know why to start, but at the end, you're gonna figure it out. You're gonna figure it out, and you will be satisfied that जो आपको था वो आपने किया. That the skill you had, you have like you put 100% of yourself in it. So it will be great.
It will be great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Anisa.
much.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you. And I hope ki you will reach the heights in your
Thank you
life
so
and
much.
you will get more and more things that you deserve. Thank you so much,
Thank
Anisa.
you. Thank you.
And this was Anisa with us. And I strongly believe जब एक इंसान के पास वो सपना होता है, you're a dreamer. With dreams, there come opportunities and achievements too. And this is RJ Asra signing off for today. Be glowing, be curious, be original. And stay tuned to the hottest frequency of North Kashmir, 90.4 FM. This is Team Radio Chunar and we care for you.